water. You see the water right there? That's a river. Oh my God! He tried to get me. Oh my God! Look at the water. Now that's water right there. Nothing but water. And this is a main street in Las Vegas, Nevada. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's very ridiculous. Look right there. Bad, man. That's really bad. Every year we get this water thing. Every year. Let's see what's happening. And right there, that is water. Somebody's gonna try to get me. Watch, try to get me. If you leaning out the window with the window open, they will try to wet you. Quick and a fast way. Look at him. He's trying to wet me. You know what I mean? Wow. It's water for sure.